Here's a top 5 baby animals you haven't seen before. You think you've seen all the cute baby animals? Wait till the last one. But first, like and subscribe to my channel if you are an animal lover. Trust me. The last one looks like a stuffed toy. Let's start. Top 5 baby rhino. Top 4 baby Arctic fox. Top 3 baby red panda. Top 2 baby Weddell seal. Top 1 baby emperor penguin.